Hi, everyone, and welcome to another Play of the Week. This is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies. This week, for the week ending 9/17, the play was on Thursday, and it was GM General Motors. This was a climactic sell. I do not do a lot of these. Matter of fact, it's probably the only one I've even attempted in the last 2 weeks. One try, one shot. It was a perfect setup. I only take these when they're perfect. GM was perfect. It was an entry on a 1-minute pattern failure, which is kind of common for me. Management simple, rewards risk 1.9 to 1. It actually hit its first target very quickly within the hour, and then I held to the end of the day and it just kind of went sideways, so the second target ended up being within a penny of the first target at the end of the day. This is the hourly chart of General Motors, and you can see the acceleration here that happened on the hourly chart right toward the end. And you can also get a glimpse of the daily chart and see how many days up this was and the relationship of the last day to what I was doing. That very last little day is the next day. That's Friday. I captured the chart on Friday. So it's really the end of that big green daily bar that ended up with the topping tail that I was actually shorting the top of that topping tail. You can see the 5-minute chart and the acceleration at the end there. This actually was presented to me by a member of the DTS trading room. I didn't have this in my sites. Actually, these come up during the day. You have to find them through a scanner or through doing some kind of scanning. And one of the members pointed it out to me just literally a minute before it was perfect. So he pointed it out, and I loved it and did it, and it was just right off the high of the day. They're almost exactly on the high of the day. The entry 39.11, stop 29.27. The stock fell almost immediately. Target 38.81, that was the first target down there. And then, like I said, the second one ended up at the end of the day, but ended up at almost the same exact price. I do a variety of things. Some of them are gaps, some of them are based on daily charts, some of them are found from intraday scanning, and I try to pick the best of the best. This is the DTS Trading Room. Take a minute to read over that slide. You're welcome to come join us on a trial. This is Paul Lang for DTS, and until next week, good trading.